Tired of ExitLag refusing to launch? Let's get it working again in under 90 seconds. First, let's make sure ExitLag isn't secretly running in the background. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. Look for any ExitLag processes, like ExitLag.exe or related services. If you find them, select each one and click End Task to completely close them. Next, we'll check ExitLag services. Type services.msc into the Windows search bar and hit Enter. This opens the services window. Scroll through the list and locate the ExitLag service. Right-click on it and select Restart. If it's not running, select Start instead. If restarting the service didn't work, try running ExitLag as administrator. Find the ExitLag shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. Lastly, let's update ExitLag. If ExitLag is able to open at this point, click the Settings icon, select General and tap on the Check for Update button to update to the latest version.